Hi guys, welcome to Snyamani and I'm back with doodling after a long time and this is summer special drink called Ambali. Today we'll start with a bullet journal designing. So first I'll just doodle lettering that is hello summer and with some splashes or splashes or some like decorative things all over this hello summer. And yes, now I'll doodle a small little watermelon because summer is it's full of watermelon. I love to eat watermelon in summer, so here I have chosen watermelon as a summer theme bullet journal. So I'm doodling a small little watermelon and I'm writing that I love water and yes, down I'll be writing melon melon like melon. I have changed melon to melon, that is may. It consists the month May. And now I have drawn some cute little small watermelons all over the page, and I'm adding some drops or dots kind of thing with black outline and filling it with red marker. I'm using a piece of paper down because I just don't wanna spoil my doodle, so it's like a protective thing. Now on another page I'm drawing another watermelon with a cute smiley face which is blushing over and it's saying smile. Now I'm writing weekdays, that is Monday to Sunday, and just writing the dates, and then I'll be outlining it with some red marker, and that completes the page. And finally I'll doodle or letter May, May, the month May. And next I'm doodling another page that is the mood tracker. Like I just want to track my mood throughout the month, so I'm interested in doodling this page. So this is how it turned out, and I'm highlighting with some pink highlighter. Then I'm doodling a tree over there and some circles so that I can doodle everything. Like on a particular day, I can mark all these. And yes, down I have some indicators that from good to bad mode indicators, which I'll be using in the leaf section of the tree, which I'll be doodling later. And also I'm giving dates for each of the circles so that I'll doodle on that particular day on this. And now I'll also add a gratitude section because it's very important in my life. And here is a simple gratitude page saying gratitude as a main heading on the top corner of the page. And I'll be highlight with the marker. So yes guys, this is my completed May bullet journal. So this is the first page and this is the calendar page, and here I have some mood tracker which I'll be filling on the particular day. And here you can see there are something which is printed backside of this, so I thought these bikes on, so I thought that just to paste this cute little watermelon, different watermelons here, so I'll be pasting this over here. And next thing is this gratitude section. So this is all about my May bullet journal, and if you like this, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.